Hello dear students, welcome back to online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LP Public School, situated Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, in my previous video, we have to learn the chapter number 1, a new baby, and we also completed the exercises of that chapter. And now today's video, I'm going to explain the next one, which is poem. So student, for that you all take out your English reader book and open this poem. The name of this poem is To the Moon. Student, in this poem we have going to learn about the moon. Student, in this poem the poet want to say that there is a little boy who was very excited to going to moon. Okay, so student, let's start the video. So firstly, there is a poem To the Moon. So tell me what the spelling of moon. MOON, moon. The title of this poem is To the Moon. Student, firstly you all tell me, have you seen moon? Yes, we have to see moon in the night. Okay, so student, tell me, what can we see in the sky? We have to see in the sky there is sun, moon, stars, clouds, rainbow. These all things we can see in the sky. So let's start the reading of this poem. So firstly, there is a first line is zoom zoom zoom. This first line is zoom zoom zoom. We are going to the moon. Zoom zoom zoom. We are going to the moon. Zoom zoom zoom. We will be there soon. Zoom zoom zoom. We will be there soon. Next. So if you like to take a trip, just step into my rocket ship. Just step into my rocket ship. Again. Zoom zoom zoom. We are going to the moon. Zoom zoom zoom. We will be there very soon. Student, one more time we going to read this poem. So let's start. Zoom zoom zoom. We are going to the moon. Zoom zoom zoom. We will be there soon. So if you like to take a trip, just step into my rocket ship. Zoom zoom zoom. We are going to the moon. Zoom zoom zoom. We will be there soon. So student, in this poem we have seen there is a little boy who wants to going moon. So that's why he's saying that zoom zoom zoom, we are going to the moon, and zoom zoom zoom, we will be there very soon. Okay, so he says that if someone wants to join, so they have to step into his rocket ship. Okay, as you can see, there is a rocket, in hand of this little boy. So he wants to say that, so if you like to take a trip, just step into my rocket ship. And after that, again he's saying that zoom zoom zoom, we are going to the moon. Zoom zoom zoom, we will be there very soon. So student, we have to learn in this poem about this little boy who wants to going to moon. Okay, so student, this is the poem. So student, you have to read and write this poem in your notebook. So firstly you have to write date, and after that you have to mention the title of this poem. The title of this poem is To the Moon. So firstly you have to write To the Moon, and after that you have to write one by one this poem line wise, and you also learn it. Okay, so student, there is a first line is zoom zoom zoom, we are going to the moon. After that, zoom zoom zoom, we will be there soon. So you have to read and learn this poem, and after that write on the notebooks. Okay student, so firstly tell me what the spelling of zoom. So it is ZOOM zoom. Okay, so you have to write ZOOM 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 3 times. After that, we are going to the moon. We are going to the moon. Okay, so after completing first line, you have to write the next line, that is we are going to the moon. Okay student, now the next is you have to write zoom zoom zoom, we will be there soon. Okay, we will be there soon. Now the next line is, so if you like to take a trip, so if you like to take a trip, student, here is the spelling of like, L-I-K-E, like, and take, T-A-K-E, take, and trip, T-R-I-P, trip. Okay, now the next line is, just step into my rocket ship. Just step into my rocket ship. Student, what the spelling of rocket? So the spelling of rocket is R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. And spelling of ship is S-H-I-P, ship. Okay. Now the next, again you have to write the spelling of zoom. So spelling of zoom is ZOOM zoom. So you have to write it 3 times. Zoom zoom zoom. So next is, we are going to the moon. Student, what the spelling of moon? MOOM, moon. Okay. So now last one is zoom zoom zoom. We will be there very soon. Student, what the spelling of very? VERY, very, and spelling of soon is SOON, soon. So student, you have also learned these given words. Okay, you have to learn their spelling and write down in your notebook with a good handwriting. So this is the your poem. That's it for today. You have to read, learn, and also write this in your notebook with a good handwriting. I hope is that clear to you. Thank you.